How to make the lighting cozy. In brief, consider the light direction and temperature when arranging different zones. Watch the video for details. If you decide to implement ideas from the video in your apartment, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. Tip 1. Don't limit yourself to one source of light. A single bright lamp in the ceiling will secure smooth light, but completely destroy the atmosphere in the room. No, you don't have to immediately get rid of your chandelier, just think about additional light sources. Wall lamps, LED lighting, and table lamps allow you to alternate lighting scenarios according to your needs. A directed light lamp next to the chair will relieve eye tension from reading and create a pleasant, relaxed atmosphere. Accent lighting of your favorite painting will turn it into an impressive interior object. An LED garland hung at the bed head will emit a soft, soothing light, and the imitated neon sign on the wall will decorate any living room with multicolor splashes and will become a focus point at any party. In dark rooms, you can compensate for the lack of natural light with daylight lamps. If you don't like this option, try putting table lamps in dark corners. You'll notice how much cozier the room will become. Tip 2. Consider the light direction and temperature. Lamps that direct light up or down give different effects. The former provides soft lighting, but the latter gives sharper one, with contrasting shadows. A good idea is to use rotary wall spots with an upper light direction as additional light sources in the bedroom, entrance hall, or recreation area. The light will gently stream along the walls without leaving shadows on the ceiling. By the way, floor lamps with large cylindrical lampshades will give the same effect. However, lamps directing the light downwards are the best light source for a desk. These can be classic table or wall lamps. As for the light temperature, neutral or warm white light is believed to be the most comfortable. It relaxes and gives a cozy feeling. On the contrary, cold light promotes concentration and is more suitable for office and industrial spaces.
Tip 3. Decide how you will adjust the light intensity.
Think about the best layout for the lamps so that they can be used all together or separately if necessary. You can also insert lamps with adjustable brightness or by remotely controlled light fixtures. In this case, you'll be able to change lighting scenarios with literally a single button. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the light fixtures, furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Good luck with your experiments and embrace the changes.